Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the image dehazing project using Python. So user have to upload any input image from dataset and click on the upload. So the model will load and it will dehazing that particular image which we are giving as input image. Model will load and will show the input image, and in the right hand side it will show the output image. The output image will be a bit clear. So it will dehazing that particular input image and show as output image. Let's select any other image and then click on the upload and process button. So the model will load and it will show the output images. This is the complete project, and this project developed using Python programming language and machine learning model used to train the model. Okay, and web development is used to develop the user interface. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.